Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Tiff here at Transition to Healthy Self. And in today's video, I am going to be talking about putting twists in my hair. So if you are not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and that black little notification bell. Then you can also follow me at Instagram at TiffNicoleBlogs, that's B-L-O-G-S. Let's jump in this video. So you saw that I just recently got a haircut. A lot was chopped off. A lot more than what I expected was going to be chopped off. I have already washed my hair and prep my hair. If you want to know more about how I prep my hair before any kind of protective style, you can check out this video right here. I knew I wanted to get like some kind of protective style, but I just didn't know what kind of protective style. I opted for braids, but I really want to get those Poetic Justice ones, and I know they can be really heavy. That's another thing about having braids. The lines have to be perfect. When you have twists, they really don't have to be perfect. So I'm just going to show you guys what I did.
I've already sectioned off my hair and created individual twists, so I'll separate them and add the hair. So these are just a couple of the things that you are going to need before you get started, and that'll help make the process a lot easier. Before I apply any fake hair to my scalp, I always wash it with apple cider vinegar and let it thoroughly dry. After that, I'm now adding the shea cream and the shea butter to the hair. I'm going to be putting on the non-drying gel or the edge control, and that pretty much is going to go and hold each twist down. I'm going to be braiding, so I'll have my hair plus the two separated pieces of fake hair, and then once I braid probably about like a good inch, then I'll start twisting. And the way I'm twisting, if you can see this, is I'm going to take my hair, separate it in half, and then create the two-strand twist. I know it sounds a little confusing, but keep watching and you'll see what I mean. Okay, we're going to start again, and I'm creating the plait or the braid, and then I go about an inch, maybe a little less than an inch, and then now I'm going to take my hair, split it in half, and then create the two strands with the alternative hair as well. And then I kind of hold it with my middle finger, my ring finger, and my pinky, so I can do a twist on one hand, and then I'm holding it with the alternative hand, and then I just kind of go down, as you see here. Now for the front, I'm going to be adding my edge control and pretty much putting away my edges so that way I'm not pulling on them with the hair when I go to braid and twist. So I'm going to go ahead and just section everything off now. And I'm going to do the same process. The only difference is I am doing 1 to 2 plaits and then going straight into twisting. So I'm not doing the full braid or plait about an inch of the way down, only because I want the front to look a little bit more natural.
All right, so I wanted to come in the bathroom. I know the light is going to be a little different in here, but I wanted to come in here and kind of see what my hair was going to look like before I added the finishing touches to my hair. This was quite fun, I'm not gonna lie. It took about 4 hours and 20 minutes. Well, 4 hours and 16 minutes, but I'm just estimating. It's a cost-effective way, obviously, to get your hair done, to do your hair. If I had to guess, about maybe 60 twists altogether, because like this was 20, this whole section right here. I did, which I know some of you probably saw, I did run out of my gel, so I used a little bit of my daughter's Eco Sour gel just to kind of do my edges. I am going to clean everything up with my Minot Mousse, so to kind of seal in everything. Like I said, this is my first time, so I couldn't really figure out like what different ways to make the front a little bit more not braided. I did loosen up a little bit so that way the braids would, the twist would eventually fall on their own. I hope these last for a little while. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to Y'all, no, I didn't. This stuff is not cheap, so if it falls, I do have to pick it up. No judgment, y'all. All right, so here's what the back looks like. Alright guys, so obviously if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Have you ever done your own twists or braids or hairstyles or anything like that? I think this is really cool. Like I said, it is my first time, so I'm really excited to have tried it. I used to make wigs a long time ago and I had a lot of fun doing those, so this is just something else to add to my memoir. Alright guys, stay well, stay happy, and be blessed. Bye!